Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable assistive ball on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on accessibility and convenience. And from here, you will find the option of assistive ball. Just tap on it. And from here, just enable this toggle to enable assistive ball on your Oppo phone. Now on this page, you can edit the function of your assistive ball. For now, it is on gesture operations, but you can select tap menu. And once you select tap menu, you can open this menu instead of the gesture functions for your assistive ball. Just like that. And also, if you select gesture operations, you can map different actions on a single tap, on a double tap, and on a touch and hold. And also from here, you can increase and decrease the opacity of your assistive ball. And also you have the option to hide it in full screen mode. And this is how you can enable assistive ball on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.